आपके साथ स्क्रीन शेयर कर रहा हूँ और ये डॉक्यूमेंट है। पहली दफ़ा हम डायलॉग्स की तरफ आए हैं। We have come towards dialogues. Okay.
Okay, ठीक है सर।
This is lesson 1, dialogue 1, greetings. Okay, basic greetings in Pashto. So you will play the part of Il. Il mean language learner, and I will play the part of H, language helper. Okay. In these dialogues, you will say Il and I will say H. Yes.
अस्सलामु अलैकुम।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम।
कैसे ये जोड़िए।
जोड़िए, जोड़िए mean are you well? Jod mean jodawal. Jodawal is the infinitive which means to make something, to make. Jodawal.
जी।
Jodawal mean to make. Zajami jodavam. I sew, I make clothes. Okay? Zajami jodavam.
Okay sir।
So jodiye here means are you the way you were made?
Okay, ठीक सर।
Okay. हाँ, जोड़िए are you well?
और ज़रबा जोड़ से, ज़रबा जोड़ से का मतलब गेट वेल सून ना?
Yes, ज़र जोड़ से।
Okay.
Okay. So I am the language helper, so I would say Mehrabani, thanks. Mehrabani, thanks. Khayam, I am fine. Khayam, I am fine.
खयम, ठीक। ज़पख्तो ज़दाको।
Zapukhto zdakawum. I am learning Pashto. Zdakawul mean to learn, to do learning. It is kawal verb, if you remember. Kawal verb. So it will become kawam. Zapukhto zdakawum. I am learning Pashto. How do you say I am learning Quran?
Quran zdakawam.
How would you say we are learning Quran?
Mun Quran zadakawu.
How would you say Alina is not learning Quran?
Alina Quran na zadakawam. Zadakawi.
Very good. Kavi, okay, third person.
जी।
Deer kha. Very good. Deer kha.
Zama hum domra zdada.
This is all I know. Dumra mean this much. Dumra mean
this much.
This much. Zdada, I like this much is known to me. This much is known to me. Okay? Zama hum dumra zdada. Like you said to me, I can speak this much Pashto. This means.
ठीक।
I say to you, Cheski, would you like to drink tea? Cheski, it means the Cheski. Look at.
जी।
Look at the conjugation. The Cheski, like the conjugation is a at the end. Skill mean to drink.
जी ठीक सर। मेहरबानी बेयाबा राशम।
बेयाबा राशम. I will come again.
ठीक।
Okay.
Yes.
This next one is also yours.
अच्छा, तकलीफ मकवा इजाजत दे।
तकलीफ मकवा. Don't go to any trouble. Okay. Taklif. Makawa mean don't do. Makawa mean
don't
makawa. Don't. Ijazat de. Is there permission to leave?
ठीक।
Like in Urdu we say इजाजत है जाने की.
Okay.
जी. Pamakhdekha. Pamakhdekha. May you face only good. Makh in Pashto mean face.
ठीक
Hmm?
जी जी
Makhde. On your face, kh. Kh mean good. On your
गुड
face, there should be good. Only good. So this is that was literal meaning. Figurative meaning is may you face only good. Whatever comes to your face, in front of your face, that should be a good thing. Hmm?
जी
Hmm.
द खुदाई पामान
The Khudai Paman. Okay? The Khudai mean of God. The is possessive. It shows possession. The Khudai of God. Pa'aman on peace. Okay, like may you go in God's peace. Okay,
ठीक
like
जी
may God be your protector. The Khudai Pa'aman.
दे खुदाई पामान
Okay, read it again without explanation. We will do it.
अस्सलामु अलैकुम
Wa alaikum assalam.
सिंगाइए जोड़िए
Mehrabani khayam.
ز پښتو زده کوم
Dear kha.
زما هم دومره زده ده
Cheski.
مهرباني بیا به راشم
Ubaski.
تکلیف مه کوه
Ubaski.
وبس जी
Do you want to drink water? Ubaski.
مهرباني بیا به راشم
Okay.
تکلیف مه کوه اجازت دے
Au ijazat te. Yes, it's permission. Au ijazat te. Pamakha dekha.
د خدای په امان
Say it again. No. Now we will change. I will be the language learner. You a helper. Assalamu alaikum.
وعلیکم سلام
Hey, Jody.
مهرباني خیم
Oh yes. Another thing. If you are asking women, so you would say jodai, jodai.
जी
Okay. Alif
ठीक
will be added. So I would say singai, jodai.
ठीक ठीक مهرباني خیم
زه پښتو زده کوم.
ډیر ښه
زما هم دومره زده ده.
چې څښئ
Not ski. It is ki. Written like this.
چې څښئ
Yes. مهرباني بیا به راشم. تکلیف مه کوه. اجازت دی؟
په خدای په بخا دي ښه
Like you are also not giving second invitation. Okay, may you face only good. The Khudai Paman. Okay. The question cheski is an invitation to drink tea. It is polite to automatically refuse the first invitation by saying Mehrabani. Okay. In addition to cheski, the expression chiski is also commonly heard. Chiski. Some people call chai as chi. Chi.
जी जी
Okay. The phrase pamakha dekha is useful for saying goodbye to someone who is leaving. Okay.
ओके सर
Now this is pronunciation drill. You shouldn't. The meaning of sentences is not important. Okay. Look at repeat these sentences after your teacher. Then contrast the words in focus. The meaning of the sentences is not important. Okay.
ओके
Okay. So we will contrast the and the. The and the.
दा
Da turada. Da turada. Tura means sword. Sword.
तूरा एक वो भी होता है ना काला तो तोर रंग काला भी होता है ना
Tor. And this is tura. Pronunciation is different.
ओके इसका क्या मतलब है
Tura, sword.
ओके ठीक
Talwar.
ठीक सर दा दा तो तोरा तोरा दा
Da turada. This is sword. And the next one is da dulada. Da dulada.
दा दूड़ा दा
Yes, dust. particles of dust, they are called dula. Dula.
ठीक दूड़ा
Dula. Dula. So tura and dula. Tura, dula.
and दूड़ा
Tura means sword and dula means dust.
ठीक ठीक
Hmm. The Thursday. The Thursday. Okay.
that तरह से
Thrust, if something is not straight, tela, the way you say it in Urdu. The Thursday. Okay.
that तरह से
The Thursday. Thursday. Listen.
lesson
Dars. The
Dars.
Pashto Thursday. This is Pashto lesson. Thursday.
ठीक
Thurs and Dars. Okay. So make a conscious effort to make these sounds dental, with the tongue well forward on the teeth. Old grammar books would often characterize the sounds T and D as the order to emphasize how far forward the tongue needs to be placed. Okay.
okay
Another thing is contrasting these two kinds of ye. Okay, but they are not important. Look at the sentences. What say it, the first sentence?
मेना लड़म
Mina laram.
लरम
Mina mean love. Mina mean love. Love. Or laram, I possess love. Okay.
okay
Yes, the second one.
वेड़ा मकवा
Yara makawa. Yara. Wo is not pronounced. It is silent. Yara makawa. Don't be afraid. Okay. Don't be afraid.
okay ठीक
Yes.
ठीक
So yara kawal. Yara kawal. You can take infinitives also from these sentences. Yara kawal means what?
to be afraid to become afraid
Yes. Yes. To do. Yes. Yara makawa. Yara makawa.
ठीक
Yes. The next one.
वेर मकवा
Vir makawa. Vir. When the children, like very, very small children, when they weep, that is called vir. Like they can't say why are we weeping, and we say there might be something in his belly, there might be another problem, he has fever. When we don't know and he weeps, that is
जी
called vir.
ठीक वीर
Vir makawa. Okay.
okay
So when you study these documents, try to take infinitives from it. Vir kawal. Vir kawal. Done?
okay done sir
Yes, vir kawal. Okay. Mina kawal. To do love. Mina kawal.
मीना कवल
Musalmanan. Allah sara mina kavi. Muslims. Yes. Love Allah. Do love with Allah. Okay. Musalmanan. Allah sara mina kavi. Okay.
जी सर
Musalmanan Palestine sara mina kavi.
मुसलमान ठीक सर
Musalmanan Palestine sara mina lari. You can say that as well. Mina lari, they possess a love.
ओके ओके ठीक है जी समझ आ गई
Okay, these are already, we have done it. Just a recap, okay? Singular subject pronouns and the verb to be. So, the, yam. Okay?
जी
The, ye. They, and they. Third person singular masculine. Okay? Third person singular feminine, the, and haga, da. For both, it's da. Gender in Pashto. Gender is an important issue in both Pashtun culture and language. The clue to a word's gender is its ending. For example, nouns ending in A and those ending with a consonant are always masculine. Okay?
Okay.
But that's not important. Just pay attention to practice. Don't go deep into the grammar, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So how would you say I'm a Pashtun?
The Pakhtun.
How do you say I'm not a Pashtun?
The Pakhtun nayam.
I'm a Punjabi.
The Punjabi.
Okay. Are you a student?
Are you student?
Yes.
طالب علم ये.
طالب. Na زوستازيوم. Na mean no. Na زوستازيوم. طالب العلم نيم.
Okay.
ठीक है? ز स्काइप बांधे उस्ताजियम और कॉलेज की उस्ताजियम. ओके. तो तालिब इल्म ये
क्वेश्चन हो जाएगा.
हाँ, आई एम आस्किंग यू. तो तालिब इल्म ये इल्मा.
मैंने जवाब देना है.
हाँ. तो तालिब इल्म ये
तालिब इल्म ये यम.
तालिब इल्मा पर फेमिनिन.
इल्मा. Okay.
Charta mean where charta.
Okay, ठीक है. चिरता.
I'm asking you, where are you talib al-ilma? Charta.
हम पूरा सेंटेंस नहीं बोलेंगे, हम बस कहेंगे चिरता.
Yes, only charta will do it. So answer me. Where are you a student? Charta.
कोर के दे. Zakor ke da.
Zakor ke yam.
Okay. Zakor ke yam.
He's an Afghan.
He's an Afghan. The Afghan de.
Yes. The Afghan de. Okay, he is the Afghan de.
Okay.
Okay. He is a shepherd. How would you say?
Haga shpun ke de.
Yes. Shpun ke means shepherd. Shpun ke. Okay.
ठीक.
Okay. How do you say he is a man?
De sade de.
Haga sade de sade de. Do you see my screen or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, how do you say I'm a father?
Zapalarium.
You are a boy.
Ta halakiye.
He is a child.
Haga mashum de.
I am a judge.
Zakaziyam.
He is a gardener.
Haga mali de.
Questions with positive and negative replies. तो तालिब इल्म ये
तालिब इल्म ये.
Answer me.
तालिब इल्म यम.
Ao mean yes. Ao तालिब इल्म यम. Okay, yes, I am a student. तुम स्त्री
ता मिस्त्री ये.
Mistri mean mechanic. Okay, this is exercise. You should do it. What should come here? Okay.
Okay. De halak de.
Yes, de halakte or haga halakte. Both can be used. Okay, in this.
Both. Okay. De kazi ye.
No.
Haga kazi.
No. Look at the ending. Ye. It comes where?
Ta.
Hmm.
Takazi ye.
Yes, it's a question. Are you a judge? Takazi.
Okay. Takazi ye.
Hmm?
Mashum de.
Hmm.
Hagwi mashum de.
No, Mashum mean child, one child.
Da mashum de.
Yes, da can be used. And haga.
ठीक हागा माशूम दे.
Hmm. Next one.
Zamaliyam.
The Malium. Mali mean what?
Gardener.
Hmm. How do you say? Those are children.
Hagwi mashum manan de. Di.
Mashumandi. Mashuman.
Mashuman de.
An should be added. An should be added to this. Man. Mashuman.
ओके ठीक है.
Hmm.
वो बड़ा गान मेरे जहन में था.
Okay. Zamalium, how would you make it? We are gardeners.
Mung mali you.
Mung Malian you. Malian.
ओके ठीक. मालियान यू.
Mali will become Malian.
ओके
Okay.
ठीक.
Okay. Use the correct form of the to be verb in the following sentences. At the end.
ओके. दे तालिबान दे.
Huh?
दे तालिबे तालिबे
Ye
दे
talib
तालिबे
al-ilm de. Yes, he is talib ilm. He is a student.
तासिड़े दे.
So,
सिड़े ये.
yes, tasari ye. You are a man.
ठीक. और ज़मालियम.
Zamalium. We will discuss one dialogue, another one, and then we will finish, inshallah.
इंशाल्लाह.
Yes, can you see the second?
जी सर. I can
Listen
see
to.
the screen.
Okay.
The screen Venom.
Yes, very good. The screen Venom. Listen to.
Okay. Pakhair Raghlai.
Akhair Ragle. Yes, this is a very common greeting. It means welcome. And literally it means you came in peace. Okay, Pakhair Ragle. Khuday di ubakha. May God forgive you. Allah aapko bakshe. The way you say in Urdu. Khuday di ubakha.
जी.
Look at this. Bakhal. Bakhal mean to forgive. Bakhal mean?
To forgive.
Yes. So ubakha. Khuday di ubakha. May you live in peace. May God forgive you. Yes.
Singa ye sehat di khade.
Sehat de khade. Is your health good? Khayam. Tasingaye.
Da khudai fazl de. Shayad.
Allah ka fazl hai. Allah ka fazl hai.
Allah का. Khayam. Zamanum. ये भी मैंने बोलना है. Zamanum सारा.
Zamanum sa. Yes.
ठीक है. Stanum sade.
Tanum Sade, what is your name? Sa mean what? Sa mean
What?
what? Tanum mean your name. Sa mean what? And they mean is. What is your name? Zamanum Muaz de.
تدكم زي.
Tadakum Zaye. Yes. Where are you from? Okay.
ठीक.
Next.
تدكم خينا راغلية.
Tadakum Zaina Ragali. From which place have you come?
ठीक.
Okay. Tadakum
जी.
Zaina Ragali. Zada Char Sadiyam. This is Mardan, they have said. Zada Mardanium. Mardan is another district. Zada Mardanium. I am of Mardan. Or yeah, I can say it like this as well. Zada Mardan Naragaliyam. I have come from
مردان.
Mardan. और थोड़ा चरता है. हाँ.
زدا لندن يا.
It's pronunciation drill. Okay, contrasting T, T and D. T and
دا.
Zadal laram. Zadal
لرم.
laram.
لرم.
Yes. Dal, one dal is shield. You know, in Urdu also that is.
Yes.
Dal.
जी.
And it is also used for kite.
Okay. ठीक.
Yes. Zadal laram. Zadal.
لرم.
Zadal nalaram. Okay. Negative. Tol shta. Tol mean all. Shta mean present. All are present. Tol shta. Tol shta.
ठीक.
All are present. Or we can say
نشتا.
in today,
تول
yes,
نشتا.
in today's lesson, Tul nishta. Tol
نشتا.
Tul nishta. Lena nishta. Huren nishta. Balsuk.
هغوي نشتا.
Hagwi nishta. बिल्कुल. डोल डोल shta. डोल आप जानते हैं डोल जो the one which is beaten in marriages.
Yes.
Dol.
जी जी. ढोल.
That is dol. Dol shta.
अल्ता. ठीक.
Alta taksho.
अल्ता टक्शो.
And the daksho. The daksho. This thing has failed.
ठीक.
Okay. A glass daksho. The glass has been filled. Like it is full now. Complete. Okay.
टूट जाने को या एब्सेंट होने को.
नहीं no. Daksho. Filled. भर गया. Glass भर गया. Daksho.
ठीक.
Like it is full now. More water cannot come in it.
Okay. ठीक.
That Thal is like Arabic thing in which they eat. Thal. A big plate or kasa. That thal. The
thal.
And that thal is the swing. You know, thal.
Okay.
Thal. On which children swing. It is called thal. Thal. Yes. Okay, another sound. Da Kharde. This is city. Da Kharde. City is called Khar.
Da Kharde.
Da Kharde. This is a city. And Da Kharde mean this is a donkey. Da Kharde.
Da Kharde.
Da Kharde. Khar mean donkey. Okay?
Okay, sir. जी.
Haga Garde. That is a cave. That is a cave. A Gar is cave. And Gar is mountain. Haga Garde. Okay?
ठीक. अच्छा, हागा क्यों लगा रहे हैं हम?
वो पहाड़ है,
दा पहाड़ दे,
वो
दा गार दे, इस तरह नहीं कह सकते थे?
yes, da, yes, da also can you can use it if it's near. And haga, that and this. Okay.
ओके ठीक है।
Haga gardi, it means like this cave is far away. Haga gardi, that is a cave. Okay. Like two people
ओके
are talking. One says that is a mountain, and another says that is a hole, etc. So one said no, haga gardi, that is a cave. Okay.
ठीक
And haga gardi, that is a mountain.
ओके
Okay, inshallah. So I'm stopping the recording.